The F2E2 error code on a Maytag washer appears when there is a communication failure between the main power relay control board and the display user interface control board. This issue can be caused by a wiring problem between the two boards or a faulty user interface control board. To resolve the issue, start by resetting the washer, as it may be due to a temporary bug in the system. To do this, power off the washer, unplug it from the power outlet, and leave it off for approximately 5 minutes. Then, plug it back in and turn it on, running a timed dry cycle to test it. If the issue persists, inspect the wire harness between the user interface control board and the main power relay control board, checking for loose or damaged connections. Secure any loose connections and replace damaged ones. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it is likely that the user interface control board is faulty and needs to be replaced.